Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Notisave app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do it on your Android smartphone. First, I'll uninstall the app before we begin. Now, to install this app on Android, look for this app called Google Play Store, and from Play Store you should see we have a search option. Just search for the app by name Notisave and then run your search. As you can see, we have here Notisave. Just tap on it, and to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Firehawk. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 94,000 reviews, and currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times, and the app average size is around 14 MBs. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right Notisave app. To install it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Notisave notification log app, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can open it directly from here, or if we go to our apps, now you can see we have our Notisave installed. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming logo. So that's how you can install Notisave app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.